Hello everyone, today we're gonna draw a panda eating a ginormous hot dog. So first let's draw the hot dog. The hot dog is gonna be very big. So first we're gonna draw a line and then go back smaller. And then like a bread, like that. Now we're gonna draw the sauce, yellow sauce. Bread for the hot dog. We're gonna draw the hands holding it. Draw the other hand. And we're gonna draw the feet. Let's draw the ears. Then draw the inside eyes. Then like that. And then another line. And then the nose. Now we're gonna trace it in Sharpie. Now we're going to do the legs. Let's use this pencil crayon red to draw the mouth. We have the yellow for here. For the bread. We need to color in the paws down here. Then we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video and I will see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe down here to the channel and I will see you later. Bye everyone.